Hello, and welcome to Week 1, Getting Started. I wanted to explain how I would like you to utilize the Canvas course shell for this semester. Where it says Week 1, Getting Started, is the first topic listed in the table of contents from the textbook. So the Getting Started section is the very beginning of the book. You should have answered the survey question, which asked if you had an Adobe Creative license already. If you click on the Welcome to the Week 1, this gives you the introduction of what you're expected to do, and then the objectives for the week, and the activities and assignments. So there would have been a discussion board form that you were to create. And then you'll select the Next button. You should download the textbook's lesson files and put them on your desktop or in a location that you will remember. These are the system requirements for you to be able to run Adobe Creative Cloud on your computer. So you'll want to click on these links and it will explain if your computer is able to handle the Adobe Creative Cloud license. You'll create an Adobe ID. And I'm now going to go to Week 2. Week 2 is Chapter 1 in the book, Getting to Know the Work Area. Once again, you'll have a welcome page, and then you'll have tutorials that are created by Adobe Help. And these are excellent tutorials, and each of these tutorials will explain different aspects of content that is in the Chapter 1 textbook material. So if you select this link, you also have sample files that you can download and practice with, and it walks you through how to open an image, getting familiar with the work area, learning how to zoom and pan, and how to undo a command. When you've completed all of these 5 videos, you'll go to the Next tab. On this page, you will learn how to upload your Photoshop textbook lessons and creative assignments to Adobe Assets Cloud Management System. Follow along with the video tutorial provided. You will create a new folder each week for your work. Make sure it follows the naming convention that is listed below in this graphic. So for instance, for Chapter 1, you'll make a Chapter 1 folder, and you'll make sure that you put in this folder both the textbook lesson file and the creative assignment inside the folder. The cool thing about this is when you save your file as a Photoshop native file extension ending with .psd, I will be able to view your layers. I can also make changes to your file and re-upload it. Think how wonderful this technology is for working with a client. Make sure you follow the directions in the video because you will submit the shareable link from your file in the assignment submission area. Everything that you do in this course will be uploaded to the cloud. You do not need to download the files for this textbook if you've already downloaded them in Week 1. This is how you will save your work. So it'll be L, which means lesson 1 hyphen your last name .psd. And once again, you will upload your work to the cloud documents. So for Week 2, you'll finish a Chapter 1 quiz, a textbook lesson, and a creative assignment. And then you'll read the Week 2 wrap-up. You will follow the same routine for each week throughout the semester. Thank you.